Hey there, it's Michael Jensen from the Wealth Step-by-Step program. It's a 3x7 matrix. I'm already working on my 4th level and my 3rd level. The 2nd level, I have 5 people. The 2nd level has 9 altogether. The 3rd level has 27 people altogether. It multiplies times 3. So whatever 27 times 3 is, that's what level 4 is, how many people. So we get paid $7 per person in level 2 per month. In level 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is $3 a person per month. It's a residual income program. Get paid every single month. It's a low cost, very affordable program. They just added more products to the back office. Digital products and access to other digital products. $30 a month. It's a global, worldwide opportunity. And you can see my commissions are up to $71. It'll be $71 per month starting next month. And I only have one person in level 4. So level 4 is $27 people times 3, because level 3 is 27 people. So that's 81 people in level 4. So I want to help my other team members, Michael C., Donald P., Sandy, Tia, Dennis, Fred, Kevin, Joyce, Antonio, John, another John, Arnold, Karen, Eslam, Anthony, and Sanders, Scott, and Stephen, or Stephan. I want to help those people all get their 3. So reach out to me, please. 352-286-8014. 352-286-8014. I want to put you under one of these people so that they can get the $25 fast start, but I want to make sure everybody has their 3 people so we can fill this small 3x7 matrix. Like I said, it pays $3 per person per month, or the 2nd level, which when it's full, it has 9 people because everybody can only have 3 people below them. Level 2 will have 9 people times 7. $7 per person per month. Levels 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 all pays $3 per person per month. But it's a low-cost $30 program. Just be patient if you want spillover or spill under. You can get, if you have a person that's a very good sales distributor or sales rep below you or above you, you can get spillover that falls below you, or spill under. If you have a good person below you, they can help build your matrix below you as well. And I have both. I have a good person above me that I'm getting spillover from, and I also have a really good representative below me, which helped me to bring in a lot of these people. So call me 352-286-8014. I'm going to put my video link where you can watch the video about the program. I'm going to put that in the video description and also in the pinned comment, so you can click on my link and watch the video. Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team, Wealth Step by Step. I also have a playlist called Wealth Step by Step on my YouTube channel. You can go to my playlist and look for the Wealth Step by Step playlist. And there's also some conference calls that you can listen to on those different playlists. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. Come to Christ, get born again. He's coming very soon, folks. But so is the mark of the beast. God bless you. Call me 352-286-8014. I'm praying for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.